The our next topic of Indian history is medieval India. Here we will discuss the question of medieval India. So let's start. Where is Muslim mosque situated? Where a hair of Pegambar Muhammad Sahib has been preserved. So it's situated in Srinagar. C option is correct here. Which is correct chronological order of following acharyas? So the correct chronological order of following acharyas is Sankar, Ramanuj, Madhav and Chaitanya. A option is correct here. Next question. The capital city Daido, established by Kublai Khan, it is situated at. So it is situated at Beijing. B option is correct here. Next question. The Mughal painting reaches its zenith during the reign of. So Mughal painting reaches its zenith during the reign of Jahangir. B option is correct here. The capital of Yadav rulers was Devagiri. D option is correct here. The Bahmani kingdom was founded by. Alauddin Hassan. B option is correct here. The Dilwara temple at Mount Abu in Rajasthan were built by the followers of. It was built by the follower of Jainism. B option is correct here. Al-Biruni came to India with Mahmud of Ghazni. A option is correct here. Which of the following is in the World Heritage List? So the place which is in the World Heritage List is Hampi ruins. C option is correct here. Where did the traveler Ibn Battuta came from? Came from Morocco. A option is correct here. Who built the Khajuraho temples? Khajuraho temples was built by Chandel Rajputs. D option is correct here. The Kirti Stambh at Chittor was built by. It was built by Rana Kumbha. B option is correct here. Who got the monumental Raye Gopurams in front of the temples at Hampi, Tiruvannamalai, Chidambaram, Sringam, Tirupati, etc. constructed? So it was constructed by Krishna Dev Rai. B option is correct here. Which of the following architectural wonders was not constructed in 12th AD? So the wonder was Sun Temple of Konark. A option is correct here. Where was Saint Kabir born? Saint Kabir born in Varanasi. B option is correct here. Which of the following languages was in vogue during Mughal period in the course of India? So the language is Persian. B option is correct here. The writer of Ramcharitmanas, Tulsidas, was related to which ruler? Tulsidas was related to Akbar. D option is correct here. Which Sufi's Dargah is at Ajmer? So Sufi's Dargah which is at Ajmer is Muhammadin Chishti. C option is correct here. Moinuddin Chishti. C option is correct here. Next question. Who was the architect who designed Taj Mahal? So the architect was Ustad Isha. B option is correct here. The Assam state derives its name from that of a tribe that conquered the region. Where did the tribesmen came from? So the tribesmen come from Siam, that is now known as Thailand. D option is correct here. Next question. Shahjahan built the Moti Masjid at Agra. Select the incorrectly matched pair of philosophers, their philosophies. So the incorrect match is Chaitanya, Visisht, Advaita. This is incorrect match. C option is correct here. Who got constructed Grand Trunk Road? Grand Trunk Road was constructed by Sher Shah Suri. C option is correct here. What do you mean by Mughal Jagir? Mughal Jagir is giving officer a right to revenue. C option is correct here. Next question. Which among the following fort was known as Key of Deccan? The fort which was known as Key of Deccan was Ashirgraha. C option is correct here. Select the correct order. Correct order is Tulsidas, Mirabai. Correct order is Nizamuddin, Aulia, Kabir, Mirabai and Tulsidas. A option is correct here. In Shivaji's Council of Ministers, the Prime Minister was called Peshwa. A option is correct here. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was proficient in philosophy. The battle that led to the foundation of Muslim power in India was the Second Battle of Tarain. B option is correct here. The most important Sufi shrine in India is at is at Ajmer. C option is correct here. Which of the following is associated with Sufi saints? The thing that is associated with Sufi saints is Khanka. C option is correct here. Which of the following powers did not fight for the Tungabhadra Daub? So, the power that did not fight for Tungabhadra Daub was Golconda and Ahmednagar Sultans. C option is correct here. Which of the following aspects is not common to both Bhakti movement and Sufi movement? So, the aspect that is not common according to both of them is worship of idols. B option is correct here. Ranthambore was a Rajput fort. B option is correct here. Lakh Bucks was a title given to the ruler of Qutb ud Din Aibak. D option is correct here. Who is considered as the greatest of all the Vijayanagar rulers? So the ruler was Krishnadev Rai. A option is correct here. Mughal presence in the Red Fort ceased with the fall of Bahadur Shah Jafar. D option is correct here. Khalsa was founded by Guru Gobind Singh. A option is correct here. The Delhi general who successfully advanced up to Madurai was Malik Kafur. C option is correct here. Who was the greatest Bhakti poet of Maharashtra? Greatest Bhakti poet of Maharashtra was Tukaram. B option is correct here. The foreign traveler who visited India during the Mughal period and who left us an expert's description of the Peacock throne was Traveller. C option is correct here. Next question. The dead body of Babur by his own choice lies buried in Kabul. D option is correct here. Next question. Goa was captured by Portuguese in the year of 1510. C option is correct here. Who was the Guru of Shivaji? The Guru of Shivaji was Ramdas. B option is correct here. Amir Khusro was a musician and Sufi saint, Persian and Hindi writer and scholar, historian. D option is correct here. All of the above. A new coin called the Rupiah was issued for the first time by Sher Shah Suri. C option is correct here. The world famous Peacock throne was kept in which of the following Mughal buildings? So this question will be answered by you in comment section. Next question. Which was the birth palace of Guru Nanak? Birth palace of Guru Nanak was Talwandi. The famous Kohinoor diamond was produced from one of the mines. So it was produced from Golconda mines. The option is correct here. Which of the following was not ordered by Alauddin Khilji to control black marketing and hoarding? So it was more privileges should be given to Khuds and Mukaddams. D option is correct here. Next question. The medieval city of Vijayanagar is now known as Hampi. Which one of the following Mughal buildings is said to possess the unique feature of being exactly equal in length and width? So the building is Taj Mahal. C option is correct here. Who of the following was sent as an ambassador to the royal court of Jahangir by James I, the then king of England? So the person who was sent was John Hawkins. A option is correct here. Next question. The Khilji Sultans of Delhi were Turks. C option is correct here. The rulers of Vijayanagar promoted Tamil, Telugu and Sanskrit. C option is correct here. The original name of Tansen, the most famous musician at the court of Akbar was. So the original name of Tansen was Ramatanu Pandey. C option is correct here. Next question. The Qutub Minar was completed by the famous ruler Iltutmish. B option is correct here. Which of the following are incorrectly paired? The following which are incorrectly paired are Vishakadatta Kiratarjunium. This is incorrect. D option is correct here. Next question. Ibn Battuta visited India during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. C option is correct here. We will have to match the following: Tughlaqabad, Red Fort, Hoj Khash and the city of Siri. Here the name has been given of the person. Alauddin Khilji, Shahjahan, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. So, this question will be answered by you in the comment section. Next question, which of the under mentioned fact about Taj Mahal is not correct? So, the fact which are not correct according to Taj Mahal is the names of artisans who built it are engraved on it. So, this fact is incorrect. D option is correct here. Next question, where did Babur die? Babur died at Agra. A option is correct here. Who wrote Akbarnama? Akbarnama was written by Abul Fazl. C option is correct here. Arrange the following in chronological order. So, the following in chronological order, the first will come Ilbari Turks, then after the Ilbari Turks there will become Khiljis, and after Khiljis Tughlaqs will come, and after Tughlaqs Sayyids will come, and after Sayyids there will be Lodis. D option is correct here. Next question, the Lodi dynasty was founded by? Lodi dynasty was founded by Bahlol Lodi. C option is correct here. Who among the following was an illiterate? The person who was an illiterate was Akbar. C option is correct here. Next question, the first Indian Hindi scholar of Mughal period was? The first Indian Hindi scholar of Mughal period was Malik Muhammad Jaisi. A option is correct here. The Upanishads were translated by Dara Shikoh in Persian under the title of? It was translated under the title of Sir-e-Akbar. B option is correct here. Next question, after the death of Raja Ram in 700 AD, Marathas continued the war against the Mughal under his brave wife Tarabai. A option is correct here. Which Sikh Guru called himself the Sacha Badshah? The Sikh Guru was Guru Tegh Bahadur. C option is correct here. Coronation of Shivaji took place in 1674 AD. Identify the European power from whom Shivaji obtained cannons and ammunition. So, the power was the Portuguese. B option is correct here. Next question, the Muslim adventurer who destroyed the Nalanda University was? The adventurer was Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar. C option is correct here. Painting reached its highest level of development during the reign of Jahangir. C option is correct here. Who translated Ramayana into Persian? The person who translated Ramayana into Persian was Baduni. B option is correct here. Next question, the Battle of Haldighati was fought between? The Battle of Haldighati was fought between Akbar and Rana Pratap Singh. C option is correct here. Next question, the famous peacock throne of Shah Jahan was taken away in 1739 by? It was taken away by Persian invader Nadir Shah. B option is correct here. The famous Bhakti saint who belonged to the royal family of Mewar was? The saint was Mirabai. C option is correct here. What does Jahangir means? Jahangir means conqueror of the world. C option is correct here. Next question, Humayun Nama was written by? It was written by Gulbadan Begum. The French East India Company was founded in? It was founded in 1664. C option is correct here. What was the name of Hall of Worship constructed by Akbar? The name of Hall of Worship constructed by Akbar was Ibadat Khana. C option is correct here. Krishna Dev Rai was a contemporary of Babur. C option is correct here. The first Muslim woman who ruled northern India was? The woman was Razia Sultana. The Sikh military sect, the Khalsa, was introduced by? It was introduced by Gobind Singh. C option is correct here. Shivaji ceded the forts of Mughals by treaty of Purandar. C option is correct here.